How to measure land area in Google Maps. Let's get started. Open the Google Maps application on your mobile device. Then navigate to the area you want to measure the land. Press and hold on the map at the starting point of the area you want to measure. A red pen will drop at that location. Now from the menu that appears, scroll below, then tap on Measure Distance. The red pen will now become a fixed point. You'll see a movable point at the map. Drag this point to the next edge of the land area, then press on Add Point. Now continue dragging the movable point and adding more points to form a boundary of the land. Now once you have finished outlining the full area, connect the last point to the first point to close the shape. Now Google Maps will automatically calculate and display the land area, usually shown in square miles, at the very left-hand side corner. That is how you can measure land area in Google Maps easily. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.